Here we come to the elevator at Central Church in College Station, Texas. It's a Schindler 330A. That has got to be the loudest motor I've ever heard. Judging by the sound of the motor, this could be a Schindler 321A. I'm not entirely sure though. I have to see what year this was installed. So, yeah, but that motor kind of sounds like a 321A of some sort, because 321A has got to be discontinued somewhere in early to mid 2001, that is. All right, there it goes, and that's it.